This one asks us to solve by graphing, but if you take a look at the equation given, we need to move some things over to the left side to have a full equation. So we need to subtract this 6x over by subtracting it, and we need to move this negative 8x over by adding it. So what that would look like, I'm just going to go ahead and type it in here, would be x squared minus 6x plus 8. And so that's our new equation that I just rearranged from here. And then you go to graph, and we're looking for the solution. So it's where it hits here and here. And just looking at it, you can tell that it hits at 0.2 and 4. So the solutions are 2 and 4. If you wanted to prove that for sure, you could do second trace, and we would be looking for the 0, so it would be number 2. And you can only do it one at a time, so let's do this one first. So we're going to move the cursor until it is above the 0 or solution that we think that, and we're going to hit enter. Now it says right bound, so we're going to move the cursor to the other side of the axis, and now that's good. And try to put it as close to the intersection as possible. So one of our zeros is 2, and we can do that again. Zoom trace. Second trace, find the other 0. So this one, the left bound side, needs to be down here. And we can make the right bound side go up there a little bit. And there's 1. So 4 is the other answer. So the answer for number 3 would be x is equal to 2 and 4.